Hey you guys, welcome back to Britt's Craziness. My name is Britt and welcome to today's craziness. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So glad that you're here. We have a few new subscribers, so I'm super excited that you're here. I hope that you get some cleaning motivation from this short video that I did of my fridge clean out. I will be doing a grocery haul, not the next video, but the following video, so stick around for that. And please hit that bell notification so you get notified every single time I upload so you do not miss a video. Thanks for watching, guys. So far, the end result in my refrigerator, we have pickles on one side, milks, syrups, coffee mates, apple juice, and sweet tea on top, cream cheese, 2 eggs, and blackberries, as well as some yogurt drinks for the girls, lemon slices for my water, and then we have some holiday sausage and cheese underneath, as well as our apples. And then here's our meat and cheese drawer, has our shredded cheese on one side and our meats on the other. So I hope that this video gave you, if I can talk, some motivation to clean out your refrigerator. We will have a grocery haul soon, like I said before, so stay tuned for that. Make sure your notifications are turned on. I love you guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye!